Is your Visual Studio Environment core apps broken by the Msenv Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. I've linked the primary utility for Msenv Library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Msenv Library, the Microsoft Environment Library. This is a core module of the Visual Studio IDE shell. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of the development environment's UI, including tool window management, menu manifests, and the primary data link between the shell and modular project extensions. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Because Msenv Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check, open command prompt with administrative rights, and execute the SFC Scan command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Msenv library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Msenv Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Msenv Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Msenv Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.